Somebody's got to do it. Come on. Clean up that mess. Yeah. Hey, clean up that mess. Yep. Hey, scrub, scrub, scrub. Oh, is that all done? You did a good job. You're going to be a big helper. You like to mop, you like to vacuum. Yeah. Get near his dog dish. He slobbered all over the place. Say move, Lugnut. Now that's the carpet. We don't need to do the carpet. That's where we vacuum. But I'll take it. Oops. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. It's okay. That doggy dish gotcha. Let me give a kiss.